Join me as I put the Vikylin security camera to the test and see if it really can keep my stuff safe while fitting in my pocket. Today, I want to introduce you to a game-changing security solution that's about to revolutionize the way we think about home security, the Vikylin security camera. This tiny device is packed with innovative features that set it apart from traditional security cameras, and I'm excited to share them with you. We've all been there, struggling to set up bulky security cameras, dealing with tangled cords, and wishing we had a way to monitor our homes without breaking the bank. Traditional security cameras can be a real hassle, especially when it comes to installation. They're often cumbersome, difficult to place, and can be an eyesore in our homes. And let's not forget about the wires. It's like they're begging to be tripped over. On top of that, many traditional security cameras require professional installation, which can add up quickly. But what if I told you there's a better way? The question to ask is, imagine being able to place a security camera anywhere, without worrying about cords or installation costs. A camera that's small enough to fit in your pocket, yet powerful enough to capture high-definition footage. Sounds too good to be true, right? But that's exactly what the Vikylin portable security camera offers. With its compact design and user-friendly interface, this camera is a breath of fresh air in the world of home security. The question to ask is, the Vikylin camera is designed to be used anywhere, whether that's at home, in the office, or even on the go. It's perfect for renters, homeowners, and anyone who wants to add an extra layer of security to their space. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy to use. Simply charge it up, download the app, and you're good to go. The camera's high-definition recording capabilities and long-lasting battery life ensure that you'll always have a clear view of what's going on, even when you're not around. The question to ask is, let's take a look at how the Vikylin camera performs in real life. I decided to take it with me on a camping trip to see how it would handle the great outdoors. I placed it near my campsite and let it do its thing. As you can see, the footage is crystal clear, even in low-light conditions. And the best part? The camera caught some unexpected visitors, a curious squirrel and a pesky raccoon. Thanks to the Vikylin camera, I was able to identify the culprits and take action to protect my gear. In another scenario, I used the Vikylin camera to monitor my front porch. I placed it discreetly near the door, and it captured some amazing footage of a delivery person attempting to steal a package. Thanks to the camera's alert system, I was able to respond quickly and prevent any loss. It's moments like these that make me appreciate the Vikylin camera's effectiveness and reliability. The question to ask is, so, what makes the Vikylin security camera stand out from the competition? For starters, its compact size and ease of use make it a game-changer for home security. It's perfect for anyone who wants to add an extra layer of protection to their space, without breaking the bank or compromising on style. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any thoughts on portable security solutions, leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more home security tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content.